Hello, Standard 6. How was your night yesterday? I hope you are well and alive and kicking. Today, I have prepared mathematics for you, and I believe it's going to help you during this time that you're staying at home. And when you come back, you'll not be blank in your head. You will not have a rough time fitting in the situation. And so today, I want us to continue from the place that we stopped last time. We were talking about operations involving units of capacity. Operations involving units of capacity. And last time we did addition and subtraction. Today, we are doing multiplication and division. Are we together? We are doing multiplication and division. But before that, I would like us to remind ourselves this conversion. How many deciliters? How many deciliters make 1 liter? How many deciliters make 1 liter? Yes. Charlene, how many? Very good. 10 deciliters make 1 liter. I will write just here so that we remember 10 deciliters equal to 1 liter. How many milliliters make 1 deciliter? How many milliliters make 1 deciliter? Angeline Adhiambo. Very good. 100 milliliters equal to 1 deciliter. 1 deciliter. Okay? Lastly, how many milliliters make 1 liter? How many milliliters make 1 liter? Yes. Yes, Claudia. Claudia, yes. Very good. 1,000 milliliters make 1 liter. Now we can remember that those who were not remembering, now you know. That's the right conversion. Now today I want us to multiply units of our capacity by a whole number. And I hope you will understand. We will be using the conversion table there often as we continue with out. And so our first step here is to multiply 38 milliliters. First, before that, let's read the question. Multiply 6 liters, 3 deciliters, 38 milliliters by 9. And so the step 1 is multiply 38 milliliters by 9. So we want to multiply 38 multiplied by 9. My working space is here, boys and girls. 38 milliliters multiplied by 9. What is 8 multiplied by 9? What is 8 multiplied by 9? Yes, yes, Chloe, that 8 multiplied by 9 is 72. And so we write 2 and carry 7. What is 9 multiplied by 3? What is 9 multiplied by 3? Mariah Collins. Correct. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27 plus 7 is 34. 34. So we have 342. We have 342 milliliters. So the answer here we will write 342 milliliters. Now we convert 342 milliliters into liters. 342 milliliters into into deciliters, using that table. From milliliters, a milliliter is smaller than a deciliter. So smaller to bigger, divide, SBD. Boys and girls, remember that? Smaller to bigger, divide. And so we are dividing 342 by 100, because 100 milliliters make 1 liter. So we divide by 100. Look at my style of simple division. We cancel a 0, it creates a decimal there. Yes, we cancel the next 0, it removes this decimal here and brings it here. So the answer is 3.42. So that is 3 liters. And it's 3 deciliters, sorry. 3 deciliters, 42 milliliters. Yes, 3 deciliters, 42 milliliters. Are we together? 3 deciliters, 42 milliliters. And so what are we recording? We are recording 42 milliliters, because it's on the milliliters, 42. So we're recording here 42 milliliters. And we are carrying 3 deciliters. 3 deciliters is being carried to the side of deciliters. And so we add 3 deciliters. We multiply 3 deciliters. Remember, we have 3 deciliters, right? So this 42 milliliters, we record it here, 42. Okay, and 3 deciliters, we carry it there. And so we multiply 9 by 3 deciliters. When we multiply 9 by 3 deciliters, boys and girls, we get 27. We get 27. Comes 27 deciliters. Now, remember, we had carried 3 deciliters, and so we add 3 deciliters to what we had carried. Okay, so we add 3. We add 3 because we had carried 3. We add 3 because we had carried 3. And so what are we getting? We're getting 30. When we add 3 to 7, we're getting 30. This is 30 deciliters. 30 deciliters. Boys and girls, 30 deciliters. We convert 30 deciliters into liters. Remember, from a deciliter, that is 30 deciliters, to liters. A deciliter is smaller than a liter, so we are still using SBD, smaller to bigger divided. So we are dividing 30 deciliters by 10, because 10 deciliters equals to 1 liter. So we divide by 10. Look at what and pay attention. So 0 cancels 0. And so 3 over 1 and 3 over 1, okay? We have cancelled and this liters. 3 over 1 is the same as 3. So the answer is 3 liters. The answer is 3 liters. 0 liters. So we record 3 liters. Remember, we are recording liters. And then we are carrying 0. We are carrying 0. We carry 0. So 0 has no meaning. So we record here, for example, 27. We record 3. It is deciliters. Sorry, boys and girls. We are multiplying we are writing 0. We're carrying 0, right? Boys and girls, we are carrying 0. And so we record, let me confirm a little bit here. We have converted and we have 3 liters. And we record 0 and carry 3 liters, correct? We record 0 and carry 3 liters. 3 liters is supposed to be carried. We record 0 and carry 3 liters. Sorry for the hitch. So we are recording here 0 deciliters. We are carrying 3 liters, right? Next step, we multiply 9 by 6 liters. 9 multiplied by 6 liters. Yes, Lanesia, 9 multiplied by 6 liters. Very good, Lanesia. That is 54. That is 54 liters. That is 54 liters. 9 multiplied by 6 is 54 liters. Then remember, we had carried 3. And so we add 3 to 54 liters. And then we get, Mary, please tell us 54 plus 3. What is 54 plus 3, Mary? Very good. It is 57. 57. And so we record 57 liters. Remember here, we are not carrying any. So we record here 57. Now, having that, boys and girls, the answer is written down here, 57 liters and 42 milliliters. There is no deciliter. That is 0 deciliters. You can as well say 57 liters, 0 deciliters, 42 milliliters, and that becomes the answer. Boys and girls, because of the hitch there, I would like to repeat here. So we are multiplying 9 by 38 milliliters, and 9 multiplied by 38, we got 342 milliliters. Then we convert 342 milliliters into deciliters and milliliters, and we get 3 deciliters, 42 milliliters. All right? And so we record 42 milliliters and carry 3 deciliters to this other side. Then we multiply 9 by these 3 deciliters, we get 27. Then we add the 3 that we had carried, then we get 30 deciliters. Then we convert 30 deciliters into liters. That becomes 3 liters and 0 deciliters. Maybe you could have written there 0 deciliters. And 0 deciliters. And so we record 0 deciliters, and carry 3. Then we write it above there. And so we multiply 9 by 6. 9 by 6. We get 54 and add 3 liters that we had carried to get 57. And so we record 57 liters there. And so what is the answer now? 57 liters, 0 deciliters, 42 milliliters. That is the first example. Boys and girls, I hope you've understood. Is there any question as far as number 1 is concerned? Just take time and study it. So in this case, I will require you to copy it just the way I have written it, with all the steps. in your books so that it will guide you to carry out such operations. Let's go to question, teacher's example number 2. Divide 33 liters, 4 deciliters, 26 milliliters by 6. This is now division. Division is related to multiplication, but in a reverse way. And so the first thing is we are dividing 33 liters by 6. Remember, we start with the first number there. We divide 33 by 6 first. 33 liters by 6. Yes, Ibrahim, 33 by 6. Very good. 33 by 6. Ibrahim has given us the answer. The closest multiple is 30. It's because of 5. 5. Remainder 3. Because 33 minus 30, you get 3. Very good. And so, we are going to record 5. We're going to record 5. Now, let's record here 5. Up here 5. Recorded here 5. And we should know it because of 30. Then we do an operation. Yes, Dorian. Which operation? Very good. We subtract. The remainder is 3. Right? That is the remainder. This is 3 liters, boys and girls. 3 liters. This is 3 liters. And so we convert the remainder, the 3, into deciliters. Convert the remainder into deciliters. Remember, from liters to deciliters, from a bigger to smaller, bigger to smaller, multiply, BSM. So from liters to deciliters multiplied by 10. So 3 multiplied by 10. Shane, 3 multiplied by 10. Please tell me the answer. Very good. It is 30. And so it's 30 deciliters. 30 deciliters. We add. So we have multiplied by 10. And then we say the answer is 30. 30. So we take that 30 here and add to 4. We add to 4. Look at that, boys and girls. Yes? What is 30 plus 4? What is 30 plus 4? Yes, Joy. Joy? Very good. 34. The answer is 34. And so we're writing here 34. 34 deciliters. Let me write here 34 deciliters. 34 deciliters. Are we together? Up to there, are we together? Now we go to step number 2. So that 34 deciliters, we divide by 6. We divide 34 deciliters by 6. 34 deciliters divided by 6. Boys and girls, anyone tell me, what do we get when you divide 34 by 6? Who is ready? Who is ready? Yes, Abu Bakr. Correct, Abu Bakr. 34 divided by 6 is not possible, but the closest multiple is 30 again. And so it's because of 5. So 5 multiplied by 6, we get 30. So the remainder is 4. And so what are we going to record? We are recording 5 and convert the remainder into deciliters, into milliliters, not deciliters, sorry. The remainder is converted into milliliters. Now, and so we have recorded 5. Record 5 here because of 30. Then we subtract. What do we get when we subtract 34? 30 from 34. Shimuli. Shimuli. Very good. The answer is 4 deciliters. Then we convert 4 deciliters into milliliters. Remember, from a bigger one to a smaller one, we multiply. And what are we multiplying by? 100 milliliters make one deciliters. So we multiply by 100. Multiply 1 by 100. And our answer, boys and girls, is 400 milliliters. So we bring it here and add 400 milliliters to 26. What do we get when we add 400 milliliters to 26? I hope you are ready. 400 milliliters plus 26. Yes, Virginia? Wonderful. 426. That is 426 milliliters. Now let's look at that. 426 milliliters. We are on the right track, boys and girls. 442 divided by, what is 42 divided by 6? 42 divided by 6, Michael. Very good. It is going to be 7 because of 42. So we subtract, and that is 0, 0. We draw 6. So what is 6 divided by 6? What is 6 divided by 6? John Wayne. Please clap for John Wayne because he got it right. It is 1. It is 1 because of 0, 0, 6. Then so we subtract and get 0, 0, 0. And so the answer here we are writing 70. That is, it was supposed to be 426 here. 426. So step 3, we already have done step 3, 426 milliliters divided by 6. So we fill in this blank space, 426 milliliters divided by 6. We have said it is 71. And so 71 milliliters. So we record 71 milliliters. Now we have completed our operation, boys and girls. And so our answer will be written down here. Our answer will be written down here. 5 liters. Remember to write the answer down here. 5 liters, 5 deciliters, 71 milliliters. That is our answer. And remember, boys and girls, to underline your answer for the teacher to be able to see it. The teacher will be able to see it. Boys and girls, if you do this, you will be able to understand. You follow every step when you are working out. Remember, when you do not follow the steps, there are chances that you can fail that question. It's very important. The basic instructions in working out are very, very important. So please adhere to them. I hope you do have a lovely afternoon, but I would want you to work out for me exercise 114. Exercise 114 in your primary mathematics. 114, question 1 to question 8. Question 1 to question 8. I hope you will follow these instructions to work them out. Thank you for listening and following. God bless you and have a lovely afternoon.